In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana tasks, how to create and assign tasks. 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. This is where you'll sign in to access your workspace. On the login screen, enter the email address associated with your Asana account, then select Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and choose Login. If your organization uses a different sign-in method, just follow the prompts you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage where you can access projects, My Tasks, and recent work. Now let's create the task. From your project or from My Tasks, create a new task or a subtask depending on where it belongs. Give it a clear, action-oriented title so it's easy to find later. In the description, add the context someone needs to complete the work, what needs to be done, why it matters, and any acceptance criteria. If you have files, click the attachment icon to include documents, images, or links. Set a due date to make expectations clear and keep work on track. Next, click the task to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is where you'll add final touches and assign ownership. Find the assignee field. By default, tasks in Asana are assigned to one person, but if you need multiple people to complete the same task, you can create and assign copies. Choose Assign to multiple people. This tells Asana to duplicate the task so each person gets their own individual copy. That way, everyone can work independently, track their own progress, and close their task without affecting others. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to include and select them from the list as they appear. Double check that you've added the right teammates and that the details, title, description, due date, and attachments are exactly what each person needs. Keep in mind that copies won't automatically sync changes across every assignee, so finalize the details before assigning or plan to update copies individually afterward. When you're ready, click Assign to confirm. Asana will create a separate task for each person with the same information you provided. Each teammate will see it in their own list and can move it forward, comment, and mark it complete. That's it. Your task is created, clearly defined, and assigned to the right people.